wraps up today's activities. So you can sort of see the range in material science. I mean, we've seen LEDs there, and also materials for power and in nuclear reactors. We've seen biomaterials such as the spider that Chris was on about, and also some of the fantastic things you can look through Mark's microscope at. It just shows the breadth of the field, and it's absolutely fascinating. So it's yeah, it just leaves me to thank the speakers and contributors and everybody who participated today. I'd like to thank everyone who's logged on, entered our competitions, interacted with us on social media. I'd like to thank the Henry Royce Institute for, especially Beth and Arcadio, for helping with the website. So if you haven't seen that yet, please pop along. It's www.discovermaterials.uk. And on the subject of the website, we're going to be getting a new one in the first half of next year. We're developing that at the moment. So if there's anything you would like to see on there, please get in touch and let us know. But also, finally, I'd want to give a big thanks to Becky and Catherine. They've been absolutely fantastic in making sure that the webinars run and helped answer your questions, putting up links, writing loads of documentation, and they've been absolutely brilliant. So thank you very much. And before I go, I'd just like to ask if you can give us a bit of feedback either on our social media channels or by emailing me on the email address there, or going to a feedback survey. That would be brilliant. So that's a wrap. Have a great rest of the year and hope to see you next year. Thank you very much.